We should always see the good things in others and not the bad things. We all know that everyone is not perfect, but each and everyone will definitely teach us something. We can learn something from everyone, I would say. Normally, we are judging the person and saying that that person is not good. Even though that person is not good, some at least one quality he or she must be having, which we can implement in our life, or we can like that habit or that good things. Normally in our office, from our colleagues or from our boss, so many complaints we are having, but at least few qualities we can learn from them. For example, if my boss is always shouting, scolding, that's fine. I am getting irritated, but if I know that on what situation he is doing so, why he is showing so, why he is doing so, because he is also getting some scold from his seniors or his boss. So it's a like a hierarchy. We have to understand that at least if he is finding some fault, he is telling upfront, rather than those who are saying towards your back. So those who are saying upfront, they are fine. They are far better than those who are saying towards backside, because we will feel bad during that time only. After that, once we know the fact, once we know the situation, we would feel good. So from each and everyone, we have to, our approach should be like that only, to see good things in others, as we know that no one is perfect in this world. We are keep on learning new things, we are developing new skills. So rather than pinpointing their mistakes, we should focus on what good things he or she is having, and we can learn from them. So our approach, our positive approach and mindset is very essential, friends. Thank you so much for watching.